ఎందుకంటే ఇంత హ్యూజ్ సినిమాని మనకి అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా అందించాలి అంటే కెమెరా వెనుకున్న టెక్నీషియన్స్ కూడా చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ వాళ్ళ బ్రిలియన్స్ కూడా మనకి వాళ్ళ వర్క్ ద్వారా కనిపిస్తూనే ఉంది. అందుకనే ఇవాళ నేను స్టేజ్ పైకి మొట్టమొదటిగా ఈ మూవీని ఇంత క్రిస్ప్ గా ఎడిట్ చేసి మనకు అందించిన రూబెన్స్ గారిని వెల్కమ్ చేసేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. లెట్ మీ వెల్కమ్ రూబెన్స్ గారు ఆన్ స్టేజ్. గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు అండి. డెఫినెట్ గా వీళ్ళ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ సినిమాని ఈ రోజు ఈ లెవెల్లో నిలబెట్టింది కాబట్టి దే ఆల్ డిజర్వ్ హ్యూజ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాజ్. రూబెన్ గారు ఎవరైనా పోడియం దగ్గరికే రావాలంట, అందుకే నేను ఇందాక నుంచి ఇలా కట్టేసినట్టు నిలబడ్డా. రండి రండి ప్లీజ్.
Glory to God. అందరికీ నమస్కారం and please excuse me, I'll speak in English. Next time I'll definitely try to speak in Telugu and yes. First of all, I would like to thank Maitri Movies. Like they started, they initiated this through a friend who referred me. My friend Dinesh referred me to this project. Like as I came in as a trailer editor, and then like yeah, and they wanted me to edit the film. Like Sukumar sir, he was very sweet too. And I couldn't I couldn't like refuse the offer. Like this would have happened none other than Sukumar sir. Like he welcomed me to the project like I wouldn't say father, like an uncle. Like a sweet uncle who welcomed me into the Telugu industry, and I couldn't refuse that. Yes, he was really sweet. And also thanks to Karthik Srinivas for accommodating me alongside and doing the needful whenever I needed him. Thanks to him too. And Maitri Movie Makers, they are the sweetest producers I've ever met. Like they offered me everything which I asked for, the equipments, everything, and also they gave their own room to edit the film, and also giving me the grandest entry into the Telugu industry. Pushpa is huge. And thanks to Maitri Movie Makers, movies as well. And Pushpa is something close to my heart, not just because it's this big and it's made in a large scale, or this is made this big profit and all that. Basically, right from when I came into the Hyderabad, it had a vibe on me. Like it gave all positive things to me. Pushpa always given me good things, like good thoughts, good vibes, and also the face of Pushpa, Arjun sir. And yeah, I always awestruck by seeing him on screen, like the stylish star and the icon star, whatever star, twinkle star, whatever star that suits him, and you are the best, sir. And I'm not saying just for the sake of it. And also he's done, like there were like few things which the audience never saw that was off the record. Like he did the best. He made Pushpa alive. So thanks for bringing Pushpa alive into the screen, sir. And Rashmika, we have always seen her as a cutie pie, and she's broken that image and evolved as a performer. And yeah, again, and she's awesome. And Fafa, and yeah, I always get, he always keep me frozen. Like they were like people saying me, like, this could have been trimmed, this could have been trimmed with this scenes, that scenes. Okay, in the whole of Pushpa kept me frozen, and there were places I was frozen and didn't trim few bits. Like there were lag and all that. Yes, yes, and yeah, I mean Pushpa kept me awestruck. So, and yeah, I love the content. So I wanted the audience to keep it, and I take that. Yes, and DSP sir, he is not yet come. Okay, and he made people watch the movie from all over the world. Like he is the front face that kept Pushpa. I mean, that made people to watch Pushpa. Like from the child, from the kids till the elder audience. Like he pulled the audience into the movie, like different genres of the songs. And I would love to thank other technicians, like whomever worked round the clock to make Pushpa alive. And it's a record that Pushpa in given time was released in 5 languages. Keep the hardships apart, but this wouldn't be possible without the team. Like right from the first technician, for the director till the last technician, they kept round the clock. They kept working round the clock, and my editor assistants, Meghnathan, Madhu, Aditya, Manoj, Selva, and the others, the direction team, the other juniors who worked round the clock to make Pushpa possible on December 17th. And also, this 100 crore club is an elite club that that keeps a different. That keeps a always have a high vote cinema, and this only not profitable for those who worked in the movie or those who are associated with the movie. This is also a big thing to cinema, and cinema is evolving. This wouldn't be possible without the press and media friends who made it possible right from the day one. You kept it alive. You guys kept it alive, and thanks to you all. And we owe you a lot. And the fans, Arjun sir fans from all over the world, they made it possible. Like yeah, whatever comes, like there were negativity, and we always say ignore negativity. And that there is a famous say in Tamil, Ennam pol vaalkai. Like you think good things will happen to you, and despite every negativity that arised, the team, the fans, and the audience kept the thing, kept the vibe, kept the positivity around, and hence Pushpa is this big hit, and the counting is not yet stopped. We are still counting, and thanks to every audience all over the world who made this a big hit. And finally, I would love to thank my director, Sukku sir. He is not just a human being; he is someone out of the world. Like he couldn't hurt anyone. Also, no one could say a no to him. Like he is the best I've ever seen. A very nice human being, and I would love to be associated with Pushpa too as well. And as I mean, I think I am already part of it, and and yes, I love this team, and above all, I've just not made my entry into Telugu cinema or the pan-Indian cinema, but I just have a family outside Chennai. Like, this is a sweet family outside Chennai, and I love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rubens garu. Thank you so much.